Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Tucson Estates, local and long-distance movers near me. Finding a suitable apartment or property when relocating is a big task. After you have found a convenient location and have made the payment, the next thing to do is move your belongings and set up your space. The process of moving all your belongings to a new location is stressful. You have to, first of all, separate the belongings going with you from those that aren't. Then you arrange and box all the belongings you are moving. There is a lot of heavy lifting involved, and preparing your belongings for the move is quite overwhelming. It would help if you made adequate plans for your move to achieve success. To make your move as stress-free as possible, you need the services of a fast and competent moving company to assist you with the relocation process. If you are in Tucson Estates, Arizona, your best option is 3 Movers. We are the best moving company in the city, and we provide the most affordable and efficient local and long-distance moving services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Tucson Estates moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online form.